Letter number 12. 2. Maqil ibn Zad-e-Rah he, when dispatched to Syria, as the head of a vanguard contingent 3,000 strong. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Fear Allah before whom attendance is inevitable, and with other than whom there is no meeting. Do not fight except with those who fight you. Travel in the 2 cool periods, that is, morning and evening. Let the men have a midday sleep. March easily and do not travel during the early night, for Allah has made it for resting and has ordained it for staying, nor for journeying. Therefore, give rest to your body in the night and let your carrier beasts also rest. When you are sure that morning has appeared and when dawn has dawned, commence your journey with Allah's blessings. If and when you face the enemy, stand in the midst of your comrades. Do not get too near the foe like one who wants to commence the fighting. Nor remain too distant like one who is afraid of action, till you receive my orders. Hatred for them should not lead you to fight before inviting them to guidance, and exhausting your pleas before them.